Okay, good morning, guys. So next we are going to learn management process. Okay, so management process means management should be identified as a process. Okay, so management, how we can identify the process, then who will identify the process? So is a manager. Okay, the manager is identify the process. So how he will identify the process? For example, so we can get the raw material. So we can get the raw materials and we can start the production. Okay, we can get the raw material and start the production. The raw materials we can convert to the semi commodities or and is the finished commodity. So then it's a the dyeing and the packing, and it's on the labeling, then is a then the distributions. So all the process we can going on, it's everything we can controlled by the manager. So this is the process. So this process we can identify by the manager. Okay, did you understand? So did you understand the management process? Management process mean is overall process, overall the business unit, everything we can controlled by the manager. So raw material, we should get the raw material, then raw material we have to convert to the finished commodity, then it's a packing, it is a labeling, it's ironing, all the process we can going on into the concern. Okay, all the process going on is everything we can controlled by the manager. Okay, so his duties and responsibilities we can assigned by higher authorities. Okay, did you understand? So his duties means it's a manager duties and the responsibilities, everything we can assigned by the higher authorities. So higher authorities like as a board of directors or managing directors, so there we can assigning the duties to the manager. Okay, then a process implies ongoing and unceasing cyclical operation. So management process mean it is a unceasing cyclical operation. So unceasing mean it is not, it is a continuation, it is a continuous continuing the continued process. Okay, it is a unceasing cyclical operation, it's ongoing business, it's a continue, it's a day and a night we can continue continuously we can the producing the and the commodity. It is a unceasing cyclical operation. Then it is a determine the dynamic nature. Okay, it is a determining the dynamic nature. So dynamic nature mean it will be change. Okay, it will be and change, and the frequently it will be change, or it's the colors or style at the packing, or is everything it will be the change, that is the dynamic nature. So this is the management process. Are you clear? This one management process mean management should be we can identify the process. So how we will identify the process mean from the beginning onwards. So from the beginning onwards you should be identify each and everything, you should identify from the we can get the raw material, then the finished commodity, then packing and labeling, then we can the distribution commodity, then where should we can distribute the commodity, everything we can should be assigned, everything should be managed by the manager. So his responsibility and duties we can assigned by the higher authorities. The higher authorities like board of directors and the managing directors. Actually the management process is a unceasing cyclical operation. Unceasing cyclical operations mean the continuous a day and a night it will be the moving on, it's a going on, it is a unceasing cyclical operation. At the same time it is a dynamic nature also, it is a dynamic nature. Dynamic nature mean it will be change, or color we can change, or you can style, or the packing is everything, it's a everything it will be the change. This is the management process. Or we can the planning and the directing and the coordinating also we will change. So this is the management process. Okay, so this management process there are twin purpose. Okay, management process there are the twin purpose, there are the two purpose. First one, maximum productivity or profitability. Second one, maximum human welfare or satisfaction. First one is a maximum productivity, first purpose. Okay, so management process of first purpose, maximum productivity. Maximum productivity means maximum we can produce the commodity, and our maximum you should get earn, so maximum amount we can earn. Second one, maximum welfare, human welfare and satisfactions. Okay, so each and every company and each and every units we can satisfy the human wants and needs. Okay, so they are producing the commodity. It's based on the human needs and wants, so because consumer needs and wants, it's very important, that one. So everybody, we are producing the commodity based on the human satisfactions only. So it's the two things is very important. So it is also we can include it in the management process. Okay, did you understand the purpose? So management two purpose: maximum productivity, maximum you should we can produce the commodity, at the same time you should earn money also, at the same time we can satisfy the human wants and needs. Okay, maximum productivity, should earn more, and at the same time we should satisfy the human beings also. These are three things is very important to the management process. Then there are the five parts of management process. Okay, the management process, there are the five types. Okay, the first one, management is a coordination. Okay, management is a coordination, and the management is a process, and the management is a purposive process. So purposive process means it's a strong opinion. So management is giving the and the strong opinion, that is a management is a purposive process. And management is a social process. So social process means they are management is acting so behalf of the society, for the consumers, or so like that, that is it. Next this cyclical and process. So this is the five parts of process. Okay, see the first one, management is a coordination. Okay, the management coordinations mean, so manager is a must effectively should coordinate all the activities. Okay, management, so management is a coordinations mean, so all the activities we can coordinated by the manager. Okay, all the activities should be controlled and coordinated by the managers, like all the resources, so namely men or machine and materials and money is a four things. Is I told yes is yes mean is the four yes is very important one. So you must coordinate effectively men, money and material, and it's a machines. These four things is very important. Then the four resources you should be coordinate and effectively. This is the first one. So are you clear this one? So management is a coordinations. Management is a coordinations mean is a manager of an enterprises, because he's a responsible person. So higher authorities given the responsibility and the duties to him. So he should we can effectively we can coordinate all the resources. So namely is a man, it's a machine, it's a materials, and it's money also. This is the management coordination. Second one, process. Okay, so the process, like it is a, so manager, it's a proper as a coordinator. So we are already we told so manager is a proper coordinator, because the higher authority giving next year will get this 5 crores or 10 crores mean you should want the strong opinion. Okay, you should want the strong opinion, so otherwise we cannot achieve. So management is a purposive process mean it's a strong opinion, you should want the strong opinion. So the goal, so management and the organization both must be, it's a goal oriented. So management process or organization. So next is social process. The social process mean is art of things, art of getting things done through others. So this actually it is one of the definitions I have already explained in the meaning of definition, I think. So this is a social process. Okay, social process mean art of getting things. So art of getting things and the done through others, it is known as, it's a management. Then it is a cyclical process. The cyclical process mean it's a represents planning action, the control and replanning cycle. So it's a planning action. So planning action mean how we can produce the commodity, how we can attract the consumer. Okay, how we can satisfy the consumer, everything we can decide, everything we can deciding, everything we can planning and sketching, it is a planning action, and we can control the planning. So how we can control the planning? So without wastage of the raw materials and without wastage of the resources, we can produce the commodity and the least price. Okay, least price we should produce the commodity, that is a control and the replanning cycle. This is the cyclical process. Okay, are you clear guys? This is the management process. Okay, do you have any doubt? So okay, if you have any doubts me, can you ask, then I will explain about that. Okay, thank you.